Hallo Leute! Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel German from Scratch. And today we are going to learn about numbers in German from number 1 to 20. So are you ready? Let's get started. So numbers are called as Zahlen. Zahlen in Deutsch. Zahlen, right? It is called as Zahlen, which means numbers. So number 1 is called as eins. 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 Zwei. Zwei is number 2. Zwei. It's zwei. Drei. 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 Vier. Vier. Please note, it's not weird, it's fear. Fear, right? Eins, zwei, drei, vier. Fünf, fünf, fünf. Fünf is number 5. Sechs, sechs, sechs is number 6. Sieben, sieben, sieben is number 7. Acht, acht, acht is number 8. Fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, acht. Now let's see number 9. Nine, nine. Sounds familiar, right? Like 9. It's nine, nine. Sane. So number 10 is sane. It's sane. Yeah? Sane. Elf. Elf is number 11. Elf. Elf. Zwölf. Zwölf. Elf. Zwölf. Zwölf is number 12. Okay. So number 13. How is number 13 formed? It's drei. Drei plus. Plus is plus. Drei plus 10. Ja, drei plus 10 ist 13. Drei plus 10 ist 13. 13 is 13. Right. So likewise, even 14 is formed. It's fear, which is number 4. Fear plus sane. Fear plus sane is vierzehn. 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 Yeah? Fear plus sane is vierzehn. Vierzehn. 14. Likewise, even 15 is formed. Fünf. Fünf plus 10. Fünf plus 10 ist 15. 15. 16. 6 plus 10. So 16 and 17, these two numbers are a bit different. I'll tell you how. So 6 plus 10. Over here, we'll have to remove this S. Okay, we need to exclude this S so that it becomes 16. 16, right? 16. We'll have to remove this S from 6, right? So for 16, it's 16. We'll not include this S here, right? Next, 17. sieben plus 10. Sieben plus 10. So even this is a bit different. Over here we need to exclude E and N. Yeah, so in English this is E and N, and in Deutsch it is, do you remember what it is? A, right? A and N. Right. So we need to exclude this and it becomes 17. It's not 17, it's 17. It's 17. So you need to be a bit careful while writing 16 and 17. 16, 17. Right? Okay. Next would be number 18. It's acht, acht plus sane, acht plus sane, and it becomes achtzehn, achtzehn. Yeah, simple, achtzehn. Next is number 19. So this is also very similar. It's 9 plus 10. 9 plus 10, and it becomes 19. 19, right? Okay, so next 20. What is 20? Let's see. Zwanzig. 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 Okay? Zwanzig is number 20. 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. Okay? So these were numbers 1 to 20, and numbers after 20 we'll see in our next video. So we'll do one thing. Let's have a short quiz, okay, regarding these numbers. We'll see who remembers. Okay. So what is number 1 called as in Deutsch? Number 1 is think. Let me see if you guys remember. Number 1 is eins. That's right. It's eins. Okay, next. Okay, number 4. You remember? What is number 4 in Deutsch? Number 4 is fear, right? It's fear. Number 4 is fear. Okay, so next is number 6. What is number 6 called as? Yeah, so number 6 is, do you guys remember? It's sechs. Sechs. That's right. It's sechs. Okay, number 10. Number 10 is very, very easy. Yeah. We've been repeating this again and again. So number 10 is sane. Sane, right? Sane. Okay. Number 13. Number 13 would be, do you guys remember? It's drei plus 10, right? It's 13. 13. Okay, number 17. So 7 is sieben. And we need to exclude what? Two alphabets, right? E and N. And then it becomes 17. 17. I hope you guys remember. Okay, so the next one, okay, 18. 18 is 8 is acht. Sane. Yeah? Achtzehn. Achtzehn. Okay, the next. Okay, number 20. So number 20, you guys remember. Number 20 is zwanzig. Zwanzig. Yeah, it's zwanzig. So guys, that's all for today. Keep practicing, keep learning. German is all about practicing. The more you practice, the more you're going to be good at it, right? So guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And in case you have any query, please put it on the comment section, right? Cheers!